Once you go through the life cycle, we'll start the session. Okay.
Fine, fine. 1 minute.
Yadil, can you open your flow, and from flow, open the flow action.
Correct?
Yeah, correct. This is a process. Okay. Now from you click on open process, the flow will be opening. Yeah. And open the flow action. Flow action will be present on connector. Yes. Double click on it. It will open.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now flow action is there. Na address. You can you open that address? No, that is an header. Below in the connector you have flow action. Yeah. Yeah.
Why
Open
it
in the
is?
sense you have to click on that crosshair icon. Yeah. Check your class.
Address, then apply to this order, work online order.
Check, yeah, check your rule set is correct, class is correct, work online order. Now create and open.
So for particular address, we are particular flow, we are creating one by one, right?
Yes. Now here add your section. Any section like collect address info or any meaningful name you give and you create it. The section also you need to create.
Okay.
Yeah, you can give any name.
Is that fine?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, click on that crosshair icon. You check your class is fine, rule set is fine. Yeah, click on create and open. Yeah, you just save this one first. Save the section. After that, you save the flow action also. Yeah, just save it. You'll get checkout there. Okay, whenever you saved, yeah. Now you save the flow action also. It's showing new, right? Still, it is there
Correct.
like new. New in the sense it is not yet saved.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now go to your section. You check out it. Check out in the sense you are making changes to the section now.
Okay.
Click on convert to full section editor. That hyperlink is then a blue color hyperlink in the header. No, no, below that the
Yes.
convert.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yes. I got it. This section is concluded in the view editor to access full design. Convert to full section editor. You like to give a template in normal section. And we want to convert section. Done.
Yeah, it will take time. Now, if you observe, there is one dynamic layout. See dynamic layout one.
Yes. This one.
Section contains layouts. Layouts contains properties. Okay.
Okay.
See, you observe the relation here. Initially, there is a flow. Inside flow, you have flow action. Inside flow action, you have section. Inside section, you have layouts. Inside layouts, you will be having properties.
Oh, yes.
You understand it? What I'm trying to say is like flow is a high level thing.
Correct.
Inside flow, you have flow actions on connectors. If you
Yes.
open connector, you have flow action. If you
Correct.
open flow action, inside flow action, you have a section. Inside section, if you open a section, you have a layouts. Inside layouts, you will be adding a properties. Okay.
So actually
Now,
changes whatever it is going to reflect in GUI, I mean front end, that should be addressed here in layout, right?
yeah, whatever
Admin
the
properties.
changes you need to show it on user interface. Those
Yes,
changes you have to do it on sections.
sections.
And which user interface needs to come when those things you have to configure at the flow level.
Yes,
You understand which screen has to come first.
yes, yes, this one.
Yeah, that is assignment shape. Okay,
Mhm.
got it right.
Yeah, yes, yes, I got it.
Yeah, now go to section. Try to add a property. Click on data capture. Data capture is in a structural data capture because no, still to the right. Yeah, data capture. Drag and drop text input. Yeah, drag it and drop it inside a layout. Yeah. Double click or you can also click on that right side. The gear icon is there. No one blue color. Yeah, click on that.
Data capture.
Yeah. Now, if you see what is it asking, it is asking for a property, right?
Yes.